Robert Gowder and his team putting their lives at risk for the comfort of COVID suspects.
Origin Enterprises has initiated counseling service with the support of Aam Aadmi Party, in which the youth of Solapur have been taking a lot of efforts to bring COVID suspects out of depression. Robert Gowder with his team of 5 to 6 members have been counseling COVID suspects, entertaining them, conducting different activities like meditation, dancing, singing, games, etc. These efforts of Solapur youth have made quarantine center an entertainment center. This initiative is being undertaken in Police Training Center Quarantine Center for the last 3 months, and people are enjoying their quarantine period. WhatsApp English News interacted with Robert Gowder when he shared his experiences. So today here we have with us Mr. Robert Gowder, who has been serving at Quarantine Center for the last 3 months. So we are going to interact with him and we are going to know what experiences is he facing over there. Yes, so Mr. Robert, what made you to serve for these people, suspect people of COVID-19?
Uh, First of all, I want to say thank you for WhatsApp News. Uh, the main reason what made me think about those people is definitely during the lockdown, most of them were too much of stressed. Where at in our surrounding itself, we found that there were so many of traumas or so many of stress, anxiety was there all around the places. I just felt for a while that what would have been happening in the quarantine center, where people have been isolated, where people have been kept away from the society. For that reason, I just felt like we should definitely think about those people, and that made me come up with this idea, having a counseling center at quarantine center.
What activities do you undertake over there, and how you bring people out of depression?
There are many activities we are taking up. Initially, we started with the 5 people around. Now we are coming close to 70 to 80 people at once. We come up and we give them a motivational talk, meditation, breathing exercise. We have an entertainment zone. And apart from that, if someone wants to have interaction with us, mostly those who are feeling too much of fear or some kind of anxiety disorder or something is happening within themselves, they come up and interact with us.
So how do you take precautions during all these activities? What precautions do you take?
Definitely, we keep a social distance. We use a mask. We won't at all remove our mask, and we also make sure that we are at the safer side.
Acha, what problems did you face when you started working at these quarantine places?
Uh, uh, there were no such problems such as, but there was within ourselves there was lots of fear, which was causing that how we should go and how we should interact in a very first stage. But later on, we have overcome all the challenges, and now we are totally confident about how to deal and how to work along with this COVID suspect people. A future plan is, if government willing, we would like to expand our counseling center all over the Maharashtra, especially at 2 tier, 3 tier cities.
Okay, so how is the support from your family, your friends, how they are reacting with you?
Initially, I didn't explain anything to my family and friends. I took up this decision and I moved on. And later on, I just slowly, people are getting to know. Few of my close friends, they have stopped talking with me. They have stopped interacting with me, just because I've been in quarantine center and helping those people in my counseling. Yeah, there must be a fear factor again, but now I have just done this thing so that other people could get benefit out of it. So I'm firm on my decisions.
Thank you, Mr. Robert. So this is all from Mr. Robert Gowder, who has been serving at quarantine center, and he is doing a noble job and putting his life at risk. Nagesh Kharade, WhatsApp English News Channel, Solapur.